Now I'd like to go over our dosa carts. These are a perfect way to make dosatrons portable. They can work for any grower in any circumstance, and they can also be great for your garden center growers and your garden center shops that need to put a little fertilizer on when all that beautiful plant material comes in. So this is our little buddy cart. The little buddy cart is constructed of plastic, and the plastic is so durable it won't rust. It can leave a spot so you can actually put a garden hose on here to carry it from place to place. It has big tires so that it'll roll over different surfaces, gravel, concrete, so forth. And the cart itself is 3 different items. First, you have the cart, and that comes with a 5-gallon stock tank, 5-gallon bucket. The next part is the hookup kit. And the hookup kit consists of the plumbing, 200 mesh filter, check valve, and the rest of the plumbing. This way your customers don't have to go to Home Depot or a plumbing supply to get everything set up. And the third part is to purchase a dosatron. On this little buddy cart, you could use an 11-gallon or you could use a 14-gallon. Your customer may already have a dosatron, in which case they'd like to make it portable, or they can buy this as a separate item and add it to the little buddy cart.